This is how you send different messages on Instagram based on different keywords that trigger an automation flow on Spur. So this is an automation flow that I've built to explain you how it works. As you can see, there is a starting trigger. The starting trigger has these three keywords that will trigger the automation flow. Meaning if someone types word 1 or word 2 or word 3, they will get into this automation flow. After that, we are using a condition block and we are basically checking using the last message variable, which you can see at the end here, what message they have actually typed to get into the flow. I'm checking here whether the last message is word 1 or word 2 or word 3. And based on these conditions, we are sending different messages. So we are sending message 1 for the condition that matches word 1. Similarly, we are doing it for word 2 and word 3, message 2 and message 3. Perfect. Now, of course, you can build it yourself. The second thing that you can do is you can go to automation flows, click on new flow, then click on Instagram and search for this flow in our template library, and you will find it with the name different keyword, different reply, and you will get this exact template that you can use for your keyword automation flow for different messages.